Hi everyone! Today I'm unboxing a super fun toy that's perfect for kids 3 to 8, the Marble Run Dinosaur Building Set. The set includes 57 large pieces of colorful building blocks plus some awesome dinosaur figures. Guess what? It's compatible with the major brand building blocks, so you can add to the fun with pieces you already have. This toy is not just for fun, it's also a great STEM learning tool. Kids can build their own marble tracks while developing creativity, problem solving, and fine motor skills. Plus, with 4 pre-designed challenges, they'll never run out of ways to play. Parents will love that this is made from high quality, safe ABS material, completely odorless, and built to last through countless play sessions. It's the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or just a fun day of building. So if your little ones loves dinosaur and creative play, this Marble Dinosaur Run